Create a new federated document. Define a title and name. Import IFC models. Update the federation. Consolidate the federated document. Open an IFC document in View mode. Access the context menu. Choose the usBIM.refactor service. Create the new spatial structure. Add other spatial elements to the hierarchy. Assign model objects to the new structure. Assign class and type to added items. Export and import spatial hierarchy. Process and download the new IFC model.